The first point I want to make when we are saving seeds from okra is that you want some gloves. They have little hairs on here that act like little fiberglass bits, and when they dry out, they get real pokey and sharp. My 4-year-old learned the hard way about this. We're going to start taking these seed heads off, and then I'm going to take them to the greenhouse and show you what I do with these pods after I've pulled them off the plant. Let these suckers dry out. I know that I've been neglectful and waited until February to get to these, but they really do need a drying out period. I'm also going to make sure that I'm gathering from multiple plants. This is just to help me with my genetic diversity as I gather my seeds, but I'm looking for the biggest pods that I can find on my plants. As you can see, I've collected some grass, and when you're seed saving, seed purity is crucial, because you're just going to have a headache later in the year when you accidentally planted grass seed. So when it comes to seed saving, what I like to do is to get a tray, again, that's free of seed, and then I just start peeling these like a banana, and you can see the seed pods have like veins of seed heads. This takes no time at all. Always trying to think of how can I use what I have in one more way. That's how we survive on the homestead. We will feed these to the pigs. You can also give them to chickens, and they'll find the seeds that you miss. And these will act like mulch. So just one more way to get one last use from your okra pods. Now I've got all my seeds, so I'm gonna shuffle them down to the corner, and I'm gonna funnel them in to a smaller container. Pro tip, make sure you label your envelope before you add the seeds. It makes it a lot easier. Look at that. All right, we got a full envelope. Time to lick and stick. I hope you found this valuable. Okra is super easy to seed save from, even if you don't eat it, but you want to practice seed saving. I recommend trying it out, even just with a couple plants. If there's a better way that you have found to seed save these okra seeds, let me know in the comments below.